Salesflare CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Salesflare CRM for your business, this is the video you need to watch before making that decision. Salesflare is a cloud-based CRM designed specifically for small to medium-sized B2B businesses that rely on customer relationships to drive sales. What sets Salesflare apart is its automation-first approach, removing the manual data entry that's often the biggest headache with other CRMs. It automatically pulls data from your emails, calendars, social media, and even your phone contacts to create detailed customer profiles, saving you time and keeping your sales pipeline up to date with minimal effort on your part. The standout feature? Salesflare's automation tools. The system tracks customer interactions automatically, logging emails, meetings, and even website visits without you needing to lift a finger. It's especially useful if you're managing multiple leads at once and struggle to keep everything organized. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it ideal for businesses that don't want to spend hours learning a complicated CRM system. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Gmail, Outlook, LinkedIn, Slack, and more, so it fits right into your existing workflow. One of its strongest features is the visual pipeline management. You can easily drag and drop leads between different stages, giving you a clear snapshot of where your deals stand at any given moment. The system also sends smart reminders to follow up with leads, reducing the chances of deals falling through the cracks. And if you're working in a team, Salesflare provides a collaborative space where everyone can see the full communication history with each client, ensuring your entire team is aligned. But Salesflare isn't perfect. It's not built for large enterprises with complex workflows or businesses that require heavy customization. If you need a CRM that handles in-depth reporting, advanced automation sequences, or highly customized dashboards, you might find Salesflare a bit limiting. It's more of a plug-and-play solution designed for simplicity and speed, perfect for smaller teams, but less so for massive operations. So who is Salesflare for? If you're a startup, small business owner, or a solo entrepreneur in a B2B space, it's a fantastic option. It helps you focus on selling instead of admin tasks and doesn't require a tech background to set up or manage. In summary, Salesflare is a highly efficient, automation-driven CRM that does exactly what it promises, simplifying your sales process. If you're tired of manually updating customer info and just want a system that works in the background to keep you organized, Salesflare is worth considering. But if you're after a deeply customizable enterprise-level solution, it might not tick all the boxes.